Haven came to me not for solar as much as the batteries, because we already had the solar. So we were familiar with having solar, but the battery system, merging them together and figuring out where to put it and how much to use, 1 panel, 2 panels, 3 panels, seemed very rational and solved the problem and was easily done, and I understood it. I have a lot of hobbies and interests with orchids and macaws and dogs. We wanted to get a backup of this to make sure that they don't succumb to the rolling blackouts and the cold. I think it's worth investing in solar because it certainly makes a big difference on electric bills and what you're paying during the day. The problem is nighttime, and there's no way of storing the energy that we have. That's the major problem. Having a battery system solves that problem. We're seeing, as time goes on, more and more power outages. The fires have been devastating and the wires coming down. We've had two power outages since the wall went online a couple of months ago. And one we knew about because they said we've just had an earthquake, we felt it. The other one we didn't know, and we didn't know the power had been off for 2 hours. It was just seamless. And we say, yeah, that's exactly what we wanted. Haven is a company with good reviews and in our experience, a very good response to problems in getting things solved, getting people back out here, making sure it passes inspection. It's security. So I'm very happy with this. And I'm happy with Haven.